Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1010 at Putrajaya Marriott Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the left, as you enter the room, you have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power, do not disturb and make up room switches, as well as your various room light switches. This is the view that you get as you enter the room. Right here we have the bathroom. To the right of the bathroom we have the toilet, shower area. It is a dual setup, so you have the rain shower as well as the handheld shower. We have a mirror in the middle. Hello. The sink below it, and you have glasses, bottles of water, tissues, towel, your bin, and all your bathroom amenities right there. Here we have the bathtub with another towel, and we have more towels right up there. Opposite the bathroom we have the wardrobe area. On this side we have drawers, in-room safe, and shelves right above for storage. Right here we have an ironing board, an iron, a torchlight, storage above, hangers, bathrobes, and in-room slippers down below. Here we have the fridge with all your tea and coffee making stuff, together with a kettle, mugs, cups, power outlet, light switch, and above we have glasses and more bottles of water, and we have mirrors on either side of this area. Hello again. Okay, so down there we have a power outlet, the climate control panel. On the left bedside table we have a light switches, power outlet, and storage. Here we have the bed with a towel elephant. Here we have more storage together with a clock, another power outlet, more light switches, in-room telephone, writing materials, and a light right above. Down there we have another power outlet, and here we have the sofa-like thing with a table. Here we have the desk area with the chair, the bin is down there, and here we have a couple of USB ports, a power outlet, a message from the hotel regarding the construction work that is currently going on, and there we have earplugs to stuff in your ears when the construction work is going on during the daytime. Here we have sort of like a storage surface, place to put your luggage right there with storage below, and right here we have a flat screen sharp TV. Now since it is night time, I can't show you much out of the window, but we can see the hotel's pool below, the road behind the hotel, a skyline view of KL, but I'll show you a better view in the morning. I've been so busy so I couldn't show you the view out of my window the next day after I filmed the previous clip, but here is the view out of the window the day of me checking out of room 1010. So yeah, I get to see the sort of like greenery area opposite the hotel. You can see the slip road leading to the hotel, as well as the highway in front of the hotel. You can see some construction, and you can also see the hotel's pool down below. And in the distance, you can see KL's skyline. You can see the new Merdeka 118 and TIX towers. And on a clearer day, you can also see Petronas Twin Towers and KL Towers. Yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 1010 at Putrajaya Marriott Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.